So good evening everyone, my name is Siddhi, she is my best friend Neha and I am going to take interview to her and I am going to ask some good questions to her. So Neha, my first question is it okay to stay bachelor forever?
Yes, it is totally okay because we have very many examples of that kind of person who have not married in their life, such as Yogi Adityanath, a great personality or face of government. He had never married to anyone, and he has dedicated his own life for the society, welfare of society. So, if you are favoring someone in your life, so it is very okay.
So as we know that it is the time of getting success in life, everybody is in the race and every parents want their children to be a success. So is it okay to separate a child as after a certain age?
Separating doesn't mean that you are separating him by not observing him, because in this era of competition, the child may face many of anxiety and stress. If you are leaving him on his behalf or on her behalf, so he or she will may join a bad company or face some issue in his mind, and he or she may done some suicides. So observe but not indulge in everything of him and her.
And
just provide guidance to her.
After seeing your personality, I just thinking that you love to travel. So which place do you want to travel in future?
As I told earlier, I want to visit Pakistan in my life, and the Gurudwara named Kartarpur Sahib, that is a legal place to travel for Indians. I want to visit that because I just love the place of Sikhs, and I am very I'm a very respectful person toward the Sikh community. That's why I love to travel their places.
So let's move to the another question. Tell me about the two changes. What do you always wanted to done in your life?
That I want to done in my life. The two changes are I want to improve my study routine because I'm a kind of lazy person. I just pretend my studies always, and that's why I want to be a actual person for my studies. And another change, I want to be an extrovert person because I believe I I think that my personality is kind of introvert that will be harmful for me in future. Being introvert is very bad for us because we lack some opportunity in our life. So I want to be an extrovert person.
It's my personal question. Don't you think that to be an introvert extrovert person is really very harmful because so many of philosophers says that who is extrovert, who hides every feeling in their heart, only those people get success in future. Like those do not speak so much, those are very.
Those who hide everything in their heart are known as introvert. If they are expressing their feelings, they are extrovert. And in this time, if you want to believe in you, and you have to express your ideas, you have to express your personality in front of others to prove who are you.
Oh, okay. So is it okay to tit for tat with everybody?
No. I don't believe in tit for tat because since my childhood, I have heard that the karma returns. Uh, if someone is doing bad for you, the supreme God will see him, or the karma he had done with me will come him to next. And if I do bad for him, so it will be bad for me. So I don't believe in this kind of things.
So do you love to surfing on internet?
For my entertainment purpose, I do this thing, and for my knowledge also. And I don't like this kind of things, but I do for
So
only
describe a thing that you have learned from internet. It must be interesting.
My 12th class math I have learned from internet because at my 12th class class I did not get the best teacher for mathematics. So I joined Nexa Classes YouTube channel and it was very helpful for me.
Don't you think it is not interesting? It's really very
It's interesting for
boring.
me because I love mathematics.
Oh. Describe a memorable moment in your life.
The 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 time of 21st January 2020 when my brother gets the joining letter of Indian Army and after 6 years of hard work. It was very beautiful and precious moment for myself to see my brother as a successful Indian Army soldier of Sikh regiment. He had done a great hard work in his time and my eyes was full of tears that time.
Okay, speak about a person with whom you want to spend time.
With whom my brother. My brother is just a vibing person in my life, with whom I can share everything and every aspect of my life. He is just a security guard of my life, and because he provides every securities and make me out of every insecurities. He is just like a soulmate for me.
So I think you respect everyone. So is it important to respect everyone?
The person who is giving respect to you is the respectable person of your life. The person who is make you feel bad or disrespecting you and your family member, I don't think that he deserves respect from me and myself.
Speak about your first day of your school.
First day of my school, I can't remember the first day of my school, but I will tell you the first day of my 8th class when I joined the new school. It was very bad day because I had nothing to enjoy because every friend is new, every teacher is new. Was new for me that time, and it was very bad that I was sitting in a strange class on the back bench and just having peace in my mind.
So is it okay to migrate to another country forever?
Yes, it is okay to migrate to other country forever because if you have job like that, and it is the home country always live in our heart. If we are living out of our country and we have a respect for our mother god or mother land, so it is very great for us, and if we are loyal to our country, it will be great.
So describe a mistake that you have done in the past.
I have done in my past time or 11th class, I can say. I had indulged in the company of a negative person who had destroyed my 3 or 4 month. He put me out of my studies and that he filled my mind with that kind of negativity. I just hate him now.
Is it okay to change your religion?
And if you find better opportunities in other religion or you are not satisfied with your religion, because religion is a thing of mind. It is the peace of mind. It is the art of living. And if you are not satisfied with your art of living, or if you are doing bad with someone by your religious purpose or the name of your religion, so it is very easy to leave your religion. It is very good.
As everybody wants to be a successful person, so what do you do for your success?
I just work hard with consistency. I am very patient girl. Patience. I have very patience in my life, and it helped me to save my mind from outer world, and if, by doing the hard work or consistency in my hard work, I will achieve my dream for sure.
Speak about the dream that you had in your past.
Yes, I had a very big dream. The dream always stay in my heart as it had. But in my 7th or 6th class, I had dreamed to join Indian stop increasing. So I had to leave the dream because I am not physically fit for that job.
So thank you, Neha, to have a best introduction.